2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote, sexy burgundy. Got long tube headers there, long tube headers there. Then what we did on it is put stainless steel bros, dual in, dual out muffler with a crossover inside. We'll try to get you guys a link in the description for it, as you guys can see. And then we left his stock mufflers out the back with the active exhaust on them. So it controls and opens and closes when he wants it, as you guys can see. There's a valve, they're open right now. So you'll get to hear the full noise of it. There it is, right there. Coyote 5.0, active exhaust and stainless steel bros mids. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the factory resonator that was on it that we cut off right there and replaced it with the stainless steel bros. Wow, what a difference. 124. 129. Oh my God. Just long tube. And the board. Okay. Wow. Hey man, I'm gonna get one of those and I'm just gonna hand you the keys, okay? I want it to sound like that. And do whatever you did to the motor. It's sick, man. This sounds really, really nice. Wow. That stainless steel, bro, sounds really nice on that. You can see, you can tell from the tire setup. It's just got a little bit done, not too much. Wow. Listen to that. That's so sexy. That's not full throttle either. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Like I told you guys, it barely has a little bit of stuff doing. Not much at all. Very little. And he did it all himself, so more props to him. Seriously. Wow. Look at that, guys. See that sexy thing right there? Oh, wow. Just beautiful car, man. Really beautifully done. More props to him. We need more car guys like that. Hell yeah. How much is it pushing to the wheel? 720. Barely anything. Ain't nothing. That's so awesome. We'll show you guys the takeoff in a second. Enjoy. Ford Mustang 2019 with a PROCHARGED, supercharger, and stainless steel mid, stainless steel bros mids, long tube headers, high flow cats, and active exhaust. That's beautiful. Pushing 720 to the wheels. Wow, that's amazing. Enjoy, guys. Be smoked.